I am certain that you all know by now that an award-winning actress Sindy Dlathu have made her debut on Isiphetho This News, but what is more exciting is the salary on her new job. So, if you would like to know how much Sindy Dlathu gets paid on Isiphetho, then do watch this video till the end. But before going to the video, I will first request you guys to like it. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel to watch my previous videos. So, enjoy this video. Well, Zemoja posted an article claiming that it has a credible source that claimed that Sindy Dlathu is now the most paid actress in Mzansi. And over the course of her 2 decades career, Sindy Dlathu is expected to make waves with her new character, Zanemvula. And well, as we all know that Zanemvula is a new character, so no one knows what her characterization is going to be. But according to that unknown source that spoke to Zemoja, Zanemvula is a charming yet slaying demeanor, and according to the news, Zanemvula will be very important to Isiphetho. I am not sure whether to call her a witch or a healer, but according to that source, Zanemvula is Zwelake's long lost lover, and obviously, if she was with Zwelake in her before life, she is definitely Buhle's mother. Now the question is, will she be able to get back with Zwelake and be able to recreate a bond between her and her daughter? We don't know, we just have to keep on watching the show. Oh, and another important thing that you must know about Zanemvula is that she is that one person who comes out as a good person during the day, but once doors closes, she becomes a total different person. And that did not disclose much about her characters I've mentioned before. Remember that they want more views, so they are going to tease us till we go and watch the show. Hence I said we're going to have to go and watch the show to find out more on her character. And I think we can all agree that this is a very interesting character, and knowing Sindy Dlathu, I think we can all agree that we will love her character and that she will kill it like she did with all her previous characters. Phela, ever since she left the sun as a character on Mubango, Sindy Dlathu have always been among the most paid actresses in Mzansi. And I mean, the last normal paying gig was back when she was playing the sun as a character on Mubango. And that was years back. Ever since she joined The River, it was stated that after Connie Ferguson, Sindy Dlathu was the most paid actress in Mzansi's telenovelas. You guys will remember that she had 2 jobs on The River. She was an actress and an executive producer. So, she was getting 2 salaries. People were shocked after Zemoja revealed that she's getting 200,000 a month. Then I was like, this is probably half of what she was getting from The River. And I know she deserves it, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, she's an asset to the show. I think we can all agree that Sindy Dlathu is a crowd puller. Her debut episode alone will get so many views. And there are even people who are not fans of Isiphetho, but will start watching now that Sindy Dlathu has joined the show. So, if you ask me, Black Brand Pictures can afford her salary, and besides, they are paying for a good value. In fact, it is an investment. So, yes, ladies and gentlemen, do comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions about this topic. And if you enjoyed content on this video, please do like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share it on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So, thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.